Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. Today we will take a look at the Great British Pound. So on the euro currency, actually we have discussed everything in the last weekend and within the previous week on the daily video. So approximately we know what level we're waiting for in the euro currency. So in general, setup of this upward direction stance, according to our analysis, and currently I do not see something really outstanding that we need to discuss. Oppositely to euro currency stands the situation on the Great British Pound, because here it's more sophisticated situation. It's a bit really not as clear as on the euro currency, and it from the one point of view it's easy to understand, because you know that a lot of driving factors right now stand upon the Great British Pound. So we know that some political turmoil with this Brexit and not very successful elections. The fundamentals, the statistics from the United Kingdom also looks not really very positive. But from the other side, the Bank of England starts to rising rate. So all this twist and turn this market, and as you can see, a result on the charts that we see. It's very unstable and choppy action within the last 3-4 weeks or even longer, and it's very difficult to understand what's really going on. Still, based on the pictures that we have, we think that Great British Pound should form some bearish reversal pattern. So following the analysis of the monthly chart, somewhere in an area between the 136, 140 area, we should get a reversal, because this is really strong area on the monthly chart, and upward action that we see right now has mostly the features of the retracement rather than features of some really new bull trend or something of that sort. That's why this retracement should sooner or later should be over, and based on the existing of the strong level, it seems that it should happen somewhere around 136, 140. But the pattern that will trigger this reversal could be different. Currently, our task on the British Pound is particular trying to catch this pattern and trying to take the position that will be as safe as possible. But this is not really a very easy task to do. Why? Because although we expect a reversal, but reversal could happen at any point before the 136, 140. 136, 140 is just a final area, but market could turn down earlier, right? So that's why this could be different patterns. And first pattern that you really could put market lower, this is, you can see on the daily chart, this is godless triple to sell. Indeed, market has completed this A, B, C, D, and as you can see, CDLX is very flat compared to AB. And theoretically, it also could happen that market could drop here. Personally, I think that maybe we still will see some upward action higher, but theoretically it is possible. And on the common week, we will work particularly with this situation that we have on the daily chart. Also, market with the spike up has erased opportunity to go short, to go down immediately, because market has exceeded this top, and the potential butterfly that could be formed here has been erased. So now market can't create the butterfly here. So how better trying to possess yourself with this setup? First of all, take a look that here we have also minor A, B, C bottom 1618D pattern, and this target has not been reached yet. Also, this target coincides with the important 618 Fib resistance at 3380 area. So it means that in the beginning of the week, market probably should happen another leg down, leg up here, minor continuation to complete this target before it will be done. That could happen by this butterfly as well, so you can see that it's also 127 extension stands very close to the 1618 target. So it means that 133.70, 134, this will be the point where reversal should happen. Currently, we do not know what result of this reversal will be, because market either could just show minor retracement and continue move up. In my personal opinion, that probably it will be more probable, or it indeed could just reverse down and continue move down. So here we should be extra careful. So if we will take position around this level, as soon as market will start to show respect, I think that minimum target of this retracement will be retesting of this broken trend line. This trend line actually, if you remember, this is the upper border of our triangle. So here we have the triangle actually, and it has been broken up. So I think that with this retracement, market could retest this level, because on the daily chart we actually have really significant resistance, and at least minor respect here should happen. That bounce down should let us to move our stops to the break-even as usual we do, and then just keep watching what will happen. If market will break this level down, I mean this trend line, this will be a very bearish sign, and it's increased chances that market indeed could start falling. But if market will just retest this area, or even show minor, small retracement, it's also possible, and turn up, this will mean that market is continuing move higher. So if second variant will happen, so if market will indeed continue move higher, we start watching for the next target. It will be 1618 around 35.50. That, guys, also will be regardless G pull to sell. So it will be just a bit wider, because regardless G pull to sell will be valid until market stands below these lows or even these lows. Okay? So, but we will go through it step by step, and first we should be focused with this scenario that we have just discussed. So first we were waiting for minor continuation up when these targets will be completed. Then we could try to go short and then watch what will happen. So with the respect, move stop to the break even and just look for this trend line, what will happen here. That will be the clue to understanding further perspective on the Great British Pound. That what we will be watching for in the short term. But in the longer term, guys, whatever pattern will be formed here actually could be this 222, that 222, and also it could be the butterfly, guys. The butterfly is also possible, but whatever pattern will be formed, high time frames still look bearish, and it seems that sooner or later, but downward reversal will happen.